Are you struggling to keep your FAQs organized and stylish for readers? Accordion lets you create and display functional but visually appealing FAQ accordions for WordPress websites. Navigate to Accordion, add new accordion, enter accordion title, choose the content type. The custom option lets you add personalized FAQ accordions, while the post feature allows you to use custom posts or pages as FAQ accordions. You can also select post type, filter post type, adjust the accordion order, and set a limit on the number of accordions displayed. Click on Add Accordion button. Enter title, choose icon, and add description. You can add multiple accordions by following the same process. While adding accordions, you will have a live preview of the changes you made. Make additional changes, like choosing the accordion layout, themes, color customization, typography, and others. Save changes once the configuration is done. Copy the shortcode and paste it inside any page or post to display the created FAQ accordion. This is the easiest way to incorporate an advanced FAQ accordion to attract your visitors.